Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. I'm back with a new recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Besan Masala toast. This is a fried version. We prepare two versions of this. I also prepare a healthy tawa fried version. I'll post that later. So for this recipe, I have prepped up all the ingredients and reserved. Here we have chopped and reserved finely chopped onion, coriander, finely chopped chili. We'll also be using a day old bread. Try to use a day old bread. And for this recipe, I've added curry leaves in this recipe. And here I'll be adding some carom seeds, garam masala powder, chili powder, salt, day old bread, and chickpea flour, that is besan. In a shallow plate, I'll combine the onion, chilies, curry leaves, coriander, chili powder, then we'll be using garam masala, tiny amount of garam masala, carom seeds, and that curry powder. I've also added salt. First combine the onion mixture, then add chickpea flour. Combine the chickpea flour with the onion mixture, because once you add salt to the onion, it will release a lot of moisture. Gradually add water and create a batter. Here I will be using a shallow plate. I'm not using a bowl because we need to dip the bread slice in this batter and turn it to both sides and then fry it. The bread slice should completely soak in this batter. So also place oil in a wok. We need to shallow fry this. So place oil in a wok on low flame. Let it heat it up, and once the oil has heated well, then we'll start dipping the bread slice in the batter and start frying it out. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. And a detailed blog post is posted. The blog post link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. Now here you can see I've placed the bread slice and I'm gently applying the onion mixture on the bread slice. We need to flip it both sides and make sure the batter is evenly spread on the bread slice. Now gently apply all that onion mixture on both the sides. With gentle hands you have to take that bread slice and drop it in the hot oil. I like this version more because it's nice and crunchy, and you're shallow frying it, you're not deep frying it. So here you can see the bread slice, it is shallow frying in the hot oil. If you want, you can do the deep frying method, but I like it this way. It consumes less oil and it's not that very heavy. We prepare this a tawa fried version also, that's much healthier. I'll show you some tricks how to prepare that tawa fry version on a later video. Now here you can see both sides I fried the bread slice for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on very low flame, not on high flame. Now I'll be draining the bread slice from the hot oil and we'll serve it up. So the next slice, when you're frying it, will take only 3 minutes, not more than that, and your masala toast will be ready. You don't require any dipping sauce or chutney for this recipe, but if you are insisting, you can definitely serve it up with some ketchup. But I like it the way it is because it's already got all the spices, all the ingredients in it, and you don't require any sort of dipping sauce. It's very nice and tasty, and especially if you want to have something nice and heavy for 2 to 3 hours, this is the best breakfast or tiffin item. And you can I'm sure everybody will definitely get filled up with this recipe. So try this out, friends, and post your comments. I'm posting a lot of bread recipes, and my upcoming recipes are going to be very interesting. You will be seeing a lot of easy to prepare recipes for your kids and family. So try this out and post your comments. And if you enjoyed watching this video recipe, do like, comment, share this recipe with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me for the upcoming recipe videos. So here you can see for 6 slices I prepared that batter. It was perfect. I really enjoyed it. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Bye bye.